says that she's coming for Umrah inshallah, and it appears that she will be passing by the miqat of the people of Medina, meaning that she will land in Medina, visit the masjid of the Prophet ﷺ, stay for a while, and then set off to Mecca. So she asks a question. I know that I have to assume my ihram from the miqat of Dhul Hulayfa, now known as Abyar Ali, but where should I assume my ghusl and where my ihram? Can I do this from the hotel, or I have to do it from the miqat? You can do it from the hotel because the distance is very negligible. It's maybe a 5 or 10 minutes ride, inshallah. It's not that far. And ghusl for your ihram is not mandatory. Meaning if I don't perform ghusl at all, I just wear my ihram in the miqat and I say labbaik Allahumma umrah, just suffices. However, ghusl is a great sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, and it purifies an individual, and it shows his gratitude to Allah Azza wa Jal by following the sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ of performing ghusl for ihram, for such a beautiful and glorious ritual of ihram. So therefore, it is totally acceptable to make your ghusl, wear your ihram from the hotel itself, then you check out. Once you pass by Dhul Hulayfa, or just before Dhul Hulayfa, you say, while driving in the car, labbaik Allahumma umrah, and move on. There's nothing wrong in that, inshallah. Likewise, it's not a must, like a lot of people think, that you have to make your ihram, saying labbaik Allahumma umrah, the intention, after a salah. And some people even just pray 2 rak'ahs to make the ihram afterwards. And this is wrong. The sunnah is to make your ihram after a fard, whether it's dhuhr, asr, maghrib, isha, or fajr, or after the sunnah of this fard, or of a sunnah that is legitimate for you to make, and you usually make, like for example, sunnatul wudu. If you're always used to making 2 rak'ahs after wudu, then you make your ihram afterwards. But if there is nothing for you to pray, you're not going to pray anything, there's no fard, no sunnah, nothing. In this case, just make your ihram without any prayer at all. She says that her mom had a problem with her passport at the last minute, and she was unable to accompany her for Umrah. So, question 1. Can she perform 1 Umrah with the intention for herself and for her mother? The answer is no. Hajj and Umrah cannot be joined in intention. So I cannot make an intention for myself and for my child or for my deceased father. It has to be either on myself only or on behalf of my father or mother only. Her second question, okay, I took Umrah for myself. Can I go to Masjid Aisha, make ihram, and then come and make Umrah on behalf of my mother? The answer is no. Because your mother is alive with the grace of Allah Azza wa Jal, and she is healthy and capable. So there is a possibility that she'll be able to come next month, next year, years after that. So performing Umrah al-Badal or Umrah on her behalf, while she is, alhamdulillah, healthy and has no problems, this is not permissible, and it won't be counted for.